Dark matter. It doesn't glow, reflect, or emit light, yet it shapes the very structure of our universe. Scientists estimate that over 80% of the matter in the universe is dark matter, completely invisible to us. It's not stars, not gas, not black holes, and it's certainly not anything we've ever touched. Galaxies spin too fast to be held together by visible matter alone. Something unseen exerts gravitational pull. Einstein's theory predicted light bending due to gravity, gravitational lensing, offering a window into the invisible. Dark matter forms a vast cosmic web, anchoring galaxies and clusters at its nodes. Without dark matter, our universe would look nothing like it does today. Simulations prove it. Physicists hunt for it in underground labs, smashing particles together in high-energy collisions. Are they WIMPs? Axions? Something beyond the standard model? Theories abound, but proof eludes. We see its fingerprints in galaxy clusters and the early universe's cosmic microwave background. New telescopes like Euclid and Vera Rubin aim to map dark matter by watching how galaxies distort space. Some scientists challenge dark matter itself, proposing tweaks to gravity like MOND instead. Solving the mystery of dark matter could unlock a new era in physics, perhaps even a deeper theory of reality. Dark matter remains unseen, but in the shadows, it sculpts the cosmos, and one day we may finally uncover its truth.